Hey guys, it's Janice. I am so glad to be back. Oh my gosh, I have missed you all. I've missed your comments, your support, your text messages, your messages. Thank you guys so much. Let me fill you in on what's been happening in my world. All right. So it has been, I think, a little over a year since I posted my last video, maybe longer, maybe so, I don't know. But after my last video update, I started thinking, I was like, I keep giving my energy to the abuse that I sustained. I thought that is not conducive to my healing. So I will put all of my other videos in a playlist that anybody can watch regarding learning how to get through narcissistic abuse, right? My story, all of that stuff. And I thought, if I continue to talk about my story, I'm reliving my story over and over again. So I said, all right, take a break. All right, let's focus on the future. Let's focus on your joy. Let's focus on what is going to serve you best and put your energy there instead of the past. So that's why I took a little bit of a break, right? So in the last year and a half, I have been able to completely remodel my home. It is done. It is complete. I think you guys know my story. If you go back to the first couple of videos of how I manifested this sacred place for myself. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It is peaceful. Welcome to my YouTube studio, where I will be doing all kinds of different videos and workshops and all that great stuff to come. I have also written a couple of books that I will be releasing very soon. And I want to encourage all of you to continue to focus on what brings you joy. If you're still going through a narcissistic relationship, just let me tell you, it will become peace again. It will become peace. Focus on each step, keep doing what you're doing, and just continue to move forward. All right. So I have focused on my joy, my peace. I'm still traveling, been to Hawaii a few more times. As you all know, is my sacred healing place. And now I'm anticipating a move out of Arizona, and that is coming into fruition, and I'm so excited about that. So I'll tell you more about that. I have rebranded my business, so that is exciting, and it has just exploded. So I'm super excited about that. And I found love again. And I can't even begin to tell you how beautiful life is. So when you are going, sorry, it's really windy here today, and it's cold as hell in Arizona. I'm talking like 50 degrees, which most of you will say that is warm. No, it's not. It is cold. Anyway, I have been focusing on just healing myself, and it is so great to know that when you focus on yourself, everything just comes into your life and you don't even know where it comes from. Like, you don't. I've been doing so many meditations and manifesting exactly what I'm doing meditation on. I have been healing the soul of other women who have gone through this, and we've created a group that has been just amazing. And I just, God is great. He is great. He is amazing. If it's not God, a higher source, whomever, is just know that you are one with this universe, and you can create whatever you want in your life, and you can get through anything in this life if you stay focused, you stay grounded, and you just remain positive. Just make sure you live your life as if it's already here, no matter what it is. If it's your new car, if it's your new love, if it's whatever it is, okay? So just find joy in you again. And I'm going to, let me back up. What I've decided to do is, instead of doing any future videos on what I've been through, because you all know my story, my future videos are going to be on changing your life, what life is like after abuse, and tips and tricks to help you just continue on that beautiful path of oneness and, finding who you are, learning who you are. Because the number one thing that I experienced after going through the abuse is, who am I? Who am I? I had no idea who I was. I had no idea what my likes were. I had no idea what fueled my fire. I didn't have any idea because I was too busy worrying about the stress and crying about the bad times. And then I was like, wow, when you completely close that door to the abuse and you move on, and Lord knows it takes many, many, many times to move on, you just begin to get that focus back again, and you get to realize who you are. This is why I continue to travel so much on my own or with good people who are going to lift me up. Travel on your own if you can. I don't care if it's a weekend away, a night away, maybe even a day trip if you can't afford it. Get in your car and just drive for 4 hours, 6 hours, and just sit and be and learn who you are again. Because it's like a waterfall. Like it just comes to you over and over again about, oh, this feels good. Oh, this idea sounds amazing. Oh my gosh. And then you reconnect with people you never thought you would reconnect with. I had so many broken relationships due to being in a narc relationship. And so I have since gained all of those relationships back, which are so much stronger than they ever were to begin with. Not to mention, I have gained so many people who are so good for my soul. It's like shedding a skin, right? Like snakes, I don't like, don't show me one, I don't care. However, if you really think about it, snakes shed their skin. And so it kind of feels like I was a snake. I was shedding all that old baggage, all that old skin, all that old hurt. And when I became renewed again, life was just different. You look at the trees different. You look at the birds different. You look at everything so different, and you just literally smile because. So just stay encouraged to do that. I am so happy to be able to bring you guys new material and new things that are going to really spark your soul, because it sparked mine, and I got to share it with you. I got to share with you the secrets. So, I'm excited and I'm grateful. So thank you all for giving me the time that I needed. Doing my videos was very, very healing for me. Like, it was incredibly healing. And then it got to the point, like I mentioned, that you just say, okay, I'm not going to feed that part of my life any more energy. It's time to finally move on. And once I did that, it's like I propelled like so many steps higher, and that's when the magic happened. So I can't wait to share some amazing things with you all. Share my home, my peaceful serenity. It's beautiful. And a dear friend gave me this Buddha. Isn't this beautiful? So if you're ever stressed, you just look at the Buddha. You breathe in on the green, you hold on the purple, and then you exhale on the blue. No, green. One of the two. Anyway, one of those. I'll share it with you. I'll do it. Anyway, isn't that darling? So that brought me a lot of peace, because I would be sitting on the couch and I would be thinking about something, and I'd look at Mr. Buddha over here and I'd be like, breathe in, hold it, and exhale all the bullshit. So I did that, and that was very healing. So I've got some Reiki that I do. I've got some dowsing rods that I also do. I've got some crystal healing that I do. I've got angel cards that I also do. So all of that is going to kind of flow in due time, but all of this is just kind of what I experienced in my healing process. So if I can share all of that with you guys, I'm going to do it. So thank you all for staying with me, following me, and I hope that you can be here on my new journey to happiness, joy, peace, love, wealth, and serenity. Be blessed. I love you.